Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Facebook app not working or not opening in your Android phone. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're having problems with the Facebook app here, it's not opening, it's not working properly, and you can't log in or access your account, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to guarantee that the app is fully closed first. So in this case, you want to go and click on the square or your apps manager here and just basically close or fully close Facebook. Now, once you've done that, you want to first access Google Play Store. Inside Google Play Store, you want to go and click on search and just search for Facebook. Now, usually the app or certain apps, if they are not fully updated, sometimes they would actually malfunction. So if you do see the update button next to Facebook, go and just click on update to update the app. And once it's actually fully updated, you can go and click on open and see if that actually helps or solves your issue. Now, if this doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that you want to do is you want to exit Google Play Store. You want to open up settings. And inside settings here, you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit and you want to look for the option for apps. So inside apps here, you want to go ahead and look for Facebook. Now you can also use the search apps at the very top here. Just type in Facebook to look for it. So if you don't want to scroll down manually. But once you do see Facebook in here, you can go and just select that. And you want to go ahead and access a setting. So let's go and close this one again. Let's go to research. And you should be able to see Facebook. Then again, if you don't see this, let's go and just retype it in. So here you have Facebook. Let's go and click on it. And you want to go and click on the force stop. Again, make sure that it's fully closed. Let's go and click on force stop. Click on OK. Click on clear data at the bottom right of your screen. And you want to go and choose the option that says clear cache. Not only choose clear cache here. So let's go and click on OK or select that and click on OK. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and close this window and just restart your phone. Now, once your phone has restarted, you can go open up Facebook again and see if that actually helps. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.